To make our videos more interesting and interactive, we are going to learn one tool today, that is PlayPosit. First of all, you will go to Google and type PlayPosit in it. You will go to this interactive video platform PlayPosit, where you will have to sign up if you are a new user or log in if you are already a registered user. Since I have already registered, I will go to login, and once you log in, you will get to use your dashboard. Here, first of all, you can edit your profile. In user profile, you can do different things where you can edit your photo and other details. Here, one important instruction is we are going to use it as a public video. We are going to share it with public, or you are going to make use of this particular video to a particular group of audience that you will have to select. You can have different settings. We will go to these important settings later on. Okay, once you're done with it, your profile is done. Now the videos that you make here are called as bulb. So we will go to my bulbs. Now since I have already done these two bulbs, they are shown here. If you are a new user, you'll have to go to add new bulb. But before we can go to how to add a new bulb, how to add different interactions in bulb, let us understand what is a bulb. There are pre-made bulbs. On various topics, there are pre-made bulbs. Let's take any one bulb for understanding how the bulb is created and how the different interactions are added. We will go to the preview of the bulb. We will go to the preview of the bulb. We will see this bulb.
Newton's second law of motion is an equation. Hey guys. Hey Bob. Hi Bob.
Now you can see those dots here. You can see those dots here. As soon as the video reaches these dots, something happens.
Times acceleration, where both force and acceleration are vectors. Newton's second law of motion. The sum of the forces, or the net force, equals mass times acceleration, where both force and acceleration are vectors. That is Newton's second law.
Now see, as soon as the video has reached this dot, there is an interaction which is popping up. It's asking you a question. Now, as a learner, when the students watch videos, most of the times you've seen that students just skip the videos, they run the videos very fast, or they just go to the end of the video and say as if they have seen the video. But to ensure that they see each and every part of the video and they observe, understand the concepts very well, we have to have these reflection spots in the videos. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to have these reflection spots. Now the student, when he comes to know what is Newton's second law, and he has to answer, okay, he has to select one of the answers. An object at rest will stay at rest, or an object in motion will stay in motion, or acceleration of an object is directly proportional to the net. Suppose I select the second law and submit it. So what happens, as soon as I select the answer, I get to know whether my answer is correct or not. Now here I answered correctly, so I got correct and I got 1 point out of 1, right? And then only I am allowed to continue and see the next part of the video.
Now let's talk about this symbol. This symbol is the uppercase Greek letter sigma. And it means the summation of. So sigma F means the sum of the forces acting on the object, or objects you're summing the forces on. And M and A are the mass and acceleration of the object, or objects that you're summing the forces on. Now, the best way to understand Newton's second law is to do an example problem.
Now see, as soon as I come to the second reflection spot, here there is another pop-up. Show an example of how you find the sum of the forces. Now see, in the first one, it was a multiple choice question. Now it is an open-ended question. Show an example of how you find the sum of the forces. Unless student types here something from day-to-day life, something he has to type, the answer he has to write, okay, and submit the answer, then only he will be allowed to go ahead. Now here, there is nothing, no point is given. Right? Out of 3 points, there are 3 points, and as soon as I go to those points, there is a pop-up coming, grade pending. So I have to get the grade. means the teacher will go through the answer, he will see what you have written or what you have responded and then give marks out of 3. Okay, then now I can continue,
So
and this
Bob,
will
could
go
you
on.
please read-
This will go on. See, there are at different points, at different times, there are reflection spots added. And after I go through all those points, okay, after I go through all those points,
Things
I
like
will
that in
get
the
to
future.
know.
Thank you very much for learning with me today. I enjoyed learning with you.
After I finish this video, then only at teacher's end, I'll get to know what I have performed. See, on the left pane, we have got Introduction to Newton's second law of motion with example problem. It's complete. Means I have seen this particular video. 1 of 10 interactions. There were 10 interactions. There were different 10 interactions in the video, and only one of them, okay, will be graded by your instructor. The one which we have written in the open-ended question has to be graded by the teacher. Now see, the analysis has come. The analysis has come. Okay. The point, which question has got which point. Okay. If I have not attempted others, otherwise I would have got the responses of the teacher or the responses from the system. See, these are different types of questions. Okay. Now these are nothing but different interactions which are added, right? We can also have notes, we can also have transcript for the video, and this kind of interaction is conducted using the bulb. We are trying to understand what is a bulb. A bulb is a video with different kinds of interactions incorporated in it, so that the student, when goes through those interactions, will have to attempt those interactions, will have to complete those interactions, so that at the other end, teacher also gets to know what my students are watching in their video, whether they are understanding the points which are clarified by me in the video or not, right? So this is how the bulb, instead of video, we will call it a bulb. The bulb helps you to make your students understand the concept in a better manner. Now we have seen this pre-made. The last button is pre-made bulbs. There are so many pre-made bulbs which are already available here. Okay, we can search. There is a search bar here. We can search the video based on the topic. Okay, you can give the keywords like computers. Let me see whether we have some content on computers. And here we will get to know anyone has made. See, there are so many videos which are made on computers. Okay, suppose I want to give a search on health. I'll get to know different bulbs on the topic health, right? So these are pre-made bulbs. Suppose you don't have time and you can search from the ready videos, ready bulbs, you can get the ready bulbs. Now, if you want to create your own video with interaction, so where will you go? You will go to My Bulbs, right? And in My Bulbs, you will get an opportunity to add new bulb. You can create your own bulb. Now, to create your own bulb, you need to have a video with you. So you have to have a video prepared with you. So I go to add bulb, and when I go to add bulb, here I get a chance, click anywhere, I'll click anywhere, okay, I'll get a chance to create my bulb. Now how do you create your bulb? You can create your bulb from my videos which are already made in this particular website, or you can input a URL. You can upload video, but this upload video facility is not available with the free version. So you can upload your YouTube video. What you can do is you can create your video, upload it on the YouTube, and here you can upload the video in PlayPosit through YouTube, right? So it's a very simple thing. Create your video, upload it to YouTube, and from YouTube you can take it here. In YouTube you can have a plain video. In PlayPosit you can have interactive video, right? So in the next tutorial we will see how to create an interactive video or bulb in PlayPosit. Thank you.